Bathi ngathi khona okhulelwe between uSibongile noNomalanga ubani osekhulelwe ingane kaKwenzo. Last time I check uSibongile wayeyintombi nto and angikhumbuli kukhona okwenzeka la uphathi kwakhe noKwenzo. But ke guys, yeah, someone is pregnant. Basho njalo ke guys, angazi uma maqhinga ke kagcina noNomalanga or kwenzekalani. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 8th to the 10th of April 2024 on Monday. Could someone be pregnant? Kwenzo try reaching out to Sibongile, but her reaction leaves him with much to be desired. Seeing an opportunity, Deliwe tries to get Velepi to date someone on Tuesday. Njengaye sees a window of opportunity to paint Vusi as a bad leader. When Zeni tries to ask Njengaye to make time for her and do something special as father and daughter, will it go according to plan on Wednesday? Gcina makes a devious suggestion to change Nomalanga's fate. Njengaye riles up the Mgazini workers, making things difficult for Uvusi. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Bathi ngathi khona okhulelwe between